Summer Night, na matinding project mo,
ito
ano?
na.
So, mahirap siya.
Mahirap siya for me. Struggle siya kasi kailangan ko ang request nila sa akin is tanggalin ko yung pagka-beauty queen.
Oo.
Dapat walang bahid ng beauty queen, walang bahid ng galing pageant. Hindi siya, iba
Pero,
talaga yung
pero kaya
character.
lang, ano ang tawag doon,
Very,
parang seryoso pa rin kasi. Maganda, ganun pa rin.
Maganda palaban siya. She has a very strong character and she's not kind.
Oo.
Sa kontrabida.
So, kontrabida po ako dito.
Ito ba yung pinaka all-out kontrabida na nagawa
This is
mo?
the first time na we will tap,
Ah.
tap on reality, kumbaga. Very, sa ano nangyayari sa bansa, ano nangyayari. Yun yung pinag-uusapan dito
Okay.
yung mga stories, diba? So, bad in a way na minsan you can relate it to real life.
Talaga?
Nakarelate ba yung mga...
I don't wanna say na, diba? But,
Like for example, anong situation? Like yung
yan, mga
ngayon?
injustices, diba? Yung mga misinformation.
Dati ikaw ang gumagawa
misinformation,
nun dito.
Drugs.
Ikaw lahat yon.
Part.
Talaga?
They have to see because there's always a bigger picture.
So hindi ka naman politician dito? Or...
No naman. No naman.
Sindikato lang.
Hindi kasi sindikato ka
Parang
na.
ganon. Parang ganon. So for me, it was hard kasi hindi ako, I'm a happy person eh. So when I go to set, I cannot be a happy person. So it was a struggle for me. Pero nga, syempre sila Direct Dom, sila Direct Richard, talagang, they helped me.
Pero hindi mo naman nadadala sa bahay. Sabi mo nga happy person ka eh.
Siguro pag kinukwento ko siya sa partner ko na parang, oh my God, ito ba yung nangyayari? Ano ba nangyayari? Ganyan. Nilalabas ko lang siya kasi nga, emotionally for me, I don't like this stuff in reality. Kumbaga, ayokong nangyayari. So, yun, naapektuhan din ako, syempre. Pero, as a character, I have to give 110%.
So nakakatakot ka.
Yes.
Ikaw mismo, as Winwin, natatakot ka sa character.
Yes.
Talaga?
Yes. She is capable of doing everything.
So, hindi to pwede panoorin anak mo.
No! Thanks for reminding me.
Pero sanay ba siya na pinapanood kang
Alam niya yung
bad?
routine. Alam niya pag pupunta ako ng work, we're going to Miss Universe. We're going to Miss Universe Philippines. Yun ang alam niya. Lagi. Kahit taping, alam niya Miss Universe. Hindi ko siya papapanood. Siguro pag mga na siya, 16 na siya.
Pero Win, ikaw ba naging vocal ka rin yung sa kasagsagan mo siya ng mga
Yes, especially the flood control.
Yes.
It is not right. Let's just say it out straight. It's not right. It's the people who are suffering. And that is why we need leaders who can actually solve problems. We need someone who can solve problems but at the same time make decisions, even if hard decisions, diba? Para makatulong sa tao. Hindi yung tayo yung nagsasuffer because of decisions na para sa sarili nila. So, I'm very vocal.
Yung personally, ikaw ba? Nagalit ka rin, nakamura ka rin tulad ng ibang sila.
Oo naman. Oo naman. Saan napupunta ang pinaghihirapan ng Pinoy? Diba? Where is it going? What is happening? We need, sana maging accountable yung mga tao for the mistakes they're doing. Because it is not right. Technically. So I pray na talagang mag-unfold at yung mga taong gumawa nito, yung mga totoong taong gumagawa nito, is lumabas. Diba? So yeah, I hope we have a better Philippines in the future.
So, Win, sinabi mo ba, parang tapos na bang beauty pageant era mo? Or beauty queen,
I never say die.
Never nga never say die, di ba?
I will never say die because hindi natin alam. Siguro now, sabihin ko no. Pero we will never know what will happen in the next few years, right? But now,
Kasi for sure, ang dami pa nagpupush sa'yo eh. Especially naglabas ka na naman ng mga photos mo recently, di ba? O sinasabi nila.
Iniisip ko nga, thankful ako kasi may mga tao pa rin na gusto akong sumali. Kahit pa paano. I've been
Kaya
in the
nga.
pageantry world for more than 10 years
Parang hindi na
already.
tumigil hanggat hindi mo nakukuha.
Oo, pa 40 na ako, baka sumasali pa rin ako, di ba? Hindi natin alam. Pero for now, this opportunity, hindi naman ito nabibigay, di ba, lagi. So I have to grab what's in front of me. And if the GMA gave me this, I will definitely grab it. Nandiyan na eh.
So ano muna siya, rest muna beauty pageant.
Yes. At saka magpapasa naman na kami.
Correct.
Yung top 6, di ba? May new batch na.
Mm.
And nagsa-start na rin ng Miss Universe Philippines.
Yes.
It's a new season. And let's see the other girls who will shine. Sino yung magiging bagong top 6? Sino magiging Miss Universe Philippines? Yeah.
So wala na din yung yung all-star sa list mo, the Miss Grand.
Panoorin muna natin yung first edition. Diba?
So may
Kung ano yung
chance pa
magaganap.
talaga.
Never say die. Diba? Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin nila. Exciting. So, yeah.
Kamusta naman bilang mom?
Yun na nga. As a
Never
mom.
say die.
Ano,
Pero diba,
struggling rin ba?
natanong ba namin kung another baby ba ang gusto mo for...
Not anytime soon. Pero it's difficult to balance everything because I have a career, but I also want to be present with my daughter. So, kinakaya. Yun yung struggle eh, kasi lumalaki na siya eh. So parang,
Ilan taon na ba?
she's turning 4, nagbabali na, nag-ano na,
Alam niya na yung
alam
ginagawa.
niya na yung ginagawa niya. So, pero I'm just very lucky to have my partner na, sige, gawin mo to, ako bahala. May, si daddy, si lolo niya, pupunta pa yan sa bahay, sige, gawin mo yan.
Hands-on lolo din.
Yes, hands on lolo siya. So, I think lahat naman ng moms nagsastruggle sa mom guilt. Hindi ata mawawala.
Ayan.
Ano ba? Kamusta naman ang
Pang-wallpaper.
4-year-old na daughter?
Pang-wallpaper ko.
May attitude na. May sarili na siyang personality. And gusto
May mga
niya.
pangarap na ba siya? Meron sila
She
sabing
wants
gusto
to be
niya.
a pilot.
Pas pilot.
She
Not a beauty
likes
queen.
Philippine Airlines. Lagi niya sinasabi. Hi, Philippine Airlines. Shut up. Gusto niyang gusto niya nagka-travel. She likes being inside the plane. So, may personality na kinakausap. Tinatanong na, Mama, why is ito? Why is like, bakit ganito daw? Ang hirap. Ang hirap na mag-explain. Pero I'm enjoying every step of it.
Pero kayo, kumusta kayo ng daddy mo? Kasi mami mo nakikita ko yung minsan sa TikTok.
Kami ni Daddy, ano yun eh, mas gusto niya makita yung apo niya kaysa sa akin.
Talaga?
Lolo tayo.
Lola talaga, pero ano siya, I see him more often kesa sa mom ko now.
Talaga?
Kasi si mom is very busy with politics.
Ah.
Si daddy naman is, may show siya dito, Master Cutter. Si Direct Dom din yung director doon.
Okay.
So, minsan nag-overlap yung schedules namin, nasa same location, or ikukwento ni Direct Dom, ganyan. So, lagi kaming nagkakausap talaga.
Pero ang bilis ng panahon. Pag nakikita mo yung daddy mo ngayon, anong nafe-feel? Yung parang, siyempre, di ba,
Oh my
nagkakaedad na.
Makakalungkot naman yung
Hindi,
tanong.
ako kasi nung nakita ko siya the last time, pero ang bilis ng panahon.
You know, sabi ko nga sa kanya, can we just travel? Actually, we're going to Hong Kong.
Okay.
Can you rest also? Can you, because he's not getting any younger. I also want him to enjoy life, not work all the time. Pero it's also his thing na if you let me stop working, ano ang gagawin ko? Diba? Kasi lumalaki na yung anak ko, it means tumatanda na rin
Kaya
yung
nga
dad ko. So I just want to spend more, time, spend kahit money, di ba? Just to be with him as well.
So nakakalungkot. Pero na-enjoy mo rin ba yung dati? Lagi mo rin naman, hindi mo siya,
Okay po ba yung kamay mo?
okay lang sanay na ako dyan. Hindi mo
Okay.
siya na-enjoy mo naman yung nung time na ang dami-dami niya rin ginagawa.
Oo naman, kasi kasama niya kami sa lahat ng shows niya din. Even, sabihin ko na palibas sa lalaki na experience namin yung set na yun. Ka lang days na experience namin dito. Sa ginagawa niya, kaya ako na-in love sa craft na to.
The influence.
So, the influence is there also. Hindi niya kami pinilit, pero pinakita niya na he is enjoying what he's doing. At the same time, he's also making a difference by making people laugh also, di ba? Kasi ngayon sa drama na siya.
Yes, umiiyak na.
Yan lang pinapakita that you can transition to whatever character or role if you really like what you're doing. So ako, I'm just trying to do what he's doing and sana tumagal ako kasi tagal niya sa industry. That's the goal the longevity of people respecting you also in that.
So kayo ng mami mo, kumusta?
Okay naman.
Hindi
I
ba
can
yung
stage
parang-
mom yun eh. Bakit ganito yung itsura mo? Ano to? Ba't ito yung suot mo? Ganyan. Pero I just, hands-on naman siya. Pero more of ano siya sa akin. So ano nang gagawin mo next project? Saan? Ganyan. Siya yung nag-nitpick. Bakit ganito? Bakit ganyan? So stage mom. She's a stage mom. I talk to her more on the phone because she's very busy helping people, She's a kagawad in Tambo right now in
Yes,
Parañaque.
yes.
And she's
Laki ng
doing the
street.
best she can to actually help the people in
Ilang minutes na kayo?
good ways. Diba? Hindi yung mayaman yung mommy ko.
Talaga. So,
Dahil tulong ng tulong.
sa isang prangkang salita, hindi corrupt.
Oo, hindi siya yung mayaman.
Tutintang
So,
yaman nung ano niya,
Ay my
yung
God.
community doon, di ba?
No comment. Pero,
Kasi lalaki ng mga hotels, di ba yung...
yung sa mga businesses, of course,
Yun nga, sa
you would
business
see.
Pero proud ka doon.
Very proud ako
kay
because
mami
ang
mo
gusto
na.
niya, even if
Malinis.
she's in a small position, she's trying to make a difference because you really don't have to have a high position to help. And her, kahit, kagawad siya, pero she's making a difference, which is, admirable. Not a lot of people see that. Diba? We know what happened before, right?
Yes.
But her heart is for helping people. And we know that she's a true person. And she's enjoying that. Pero
Ikaw, Win.
sana,
Ikaw.
dati po akong SK. So that's why my
Level up
name is
ka.
Queen
Gusto mo mag-level
diba?
up. Pero,
Pero yung sa akin po kung politics not now. But hindi ko pa kayang makipag
Para may
baka
kalaban ng mga corrupt.
kailangan ko muna matuto kung ano ba talaga ang government. Because it doesn't mean, I think si Vice ganda yung nagsabi, it doesn't mean you can win, you would run. Diba? You should have a knowledge or actually kulang pa yung knowledge, you have to have the heart to serve the people. So that's
pero
number one.
karamihan sa family mo na sa politics na eh.
Yes,
Di
yes,
ba?
yes, yes.
So,
Ako, I try to help different organizations in ways that I can. Not naman in government. Pero like, my brother is also a counselor now. Pero like, we talk. Sabi niya, Win, what do you want to do to help ganyan? So we try to collaborate. I don't need a position now to help. But if I can help in ways that I can, then I will do that. If the time comes na maybe mag-politics ako, then why not? But now, I'll help in ways that I can.
May balak ka bang okay na? Sumabak ulit sa beauty pageant kasi parang nagpaparamdam ka na sa MG